Yeah, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, Ed Shaw Graphics. Just want to do a brief video on tilting my screen downward. So, the problem I'm having right now is when I register my screen and I tighten this up, what will actually happen is my screen, bring back the focus a little bit. My screen tilts upward when I tighten it up. So I'm going to show you what I mean when I say it tilts upward. I'm going to bring my camera down low. You see how my screen tilts upward? And so it's kind of good for the off contact, but I really don't want it to tilt that high. What I need my screen to do is tilt down a little bit, if not parallel with the screen. So, and this can happen not with only with wooden, but it can also happen with aluminum frames also. And I have the type of screen printer where I have a cheap screen printer. You know, I don't have any adjustable knobs that can adjust the screen downward. So what I would need to do, what I learned to do is I would take 2 nickels and I'll place them in just like that. I'll place them right over the holes. Just like that. We just directly up under the knobs. And I would tape them in, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm gonna tape both of these nickels in just like this. That way they can stay in place. Just like that. Now, let's see what'll happen once I put this in. See, it's already tilting downward, and that's what I'm looking for. So right now, I go ahead and register my screen to this white underbase. It's a little off right there. When it comes to registry, you want to hold it and twist both knobs at the same time. I hold it with one hand and twist both knobs. Take turn twisting knobs with the other hand. But other than that, I just want to show you how much a tilt you can get by just placing 2 nickels. As you can see, it's tilting downward. It's tilting down. And that's pretty much it right there. And I still have the off contact. Well, I have more of an off contact at this end of the screen and less off contact here. But I do still have the off contact. And if I want a little bit more off contact, I could just adjust my screw just a little bit, but not too much, because I don't want the back end to be too high. Other than that, that's pretty much it. All right, thanks for watching my channel on screen adjustment, or should I say screen tilting. So be sure to watch me in my next video. By catching me, easily just subscribe by hitting that red and green button in the lower right hand corner. All right now.